Here we have a problem that says to use the fundamental theorem of calculus to find the derivative. We have d over dx of the integral from 8 to e to the x of ln u squared du. We're trying to evaluate that. So I'm going to link down in the description my favorite formula sheet for calculus. And on page 7 of that formula sheet, it has a variant of the fundamental theorem of calculus is that d dx of the integral, that integral didn't work out very well, integral from a to u of x of f of t dt is equal to u prime of x times f, it's supposed to be an f, let me try that again, of f of u of x. So this is the formula that I'm going to use, but because we have u's in the problem and t's in our formula in the way that it's written, I'm going to change writing this from a u of x. I'm going to write it as a g of x instead. So I'm going to rewrite the formula as d dx from a to g of x of f of t dt. Why is it doing that? F of t dt is equal to, now I need to put my derivative of my top function, which would be g prime of x, times f of, and in the inside I need just my g of x. So that's how I'm rewriting my formula for this problem. Since we have a u there, I'm not going to use u's because I think that's confusing. Okay, so let me write my problem underneath my formula so we can identify what's where. d dx integral from 8 to e to the x of ln u squared du. So what this means is my 8 is my a, my e to the x is g of x, and then my f of t dt is my ln u squared of gu. So the first thing we need to find is g prime of x. Our g of x is e to the x, and the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So that'll be my g prime is e to the x. Then I multiply that by my f function, which is my ln u squared, but plugging in g. So instead of writing u, I'm going to write e to the x. So that's times ln of e to the x, but then I need to square that because my u is squared. Okay, so this is my formula. I just need to simplify. Since I have a square on an exponent, I'm going to first multiply those exponents together because an exponent raised to another exponent means to multiply. That makes e to the x times ln of e to the 2x. Next, I'll use the rule of when you have an exponent on a log, you can kick that exponent to the front. So I'm going to rewrite this as e to the x times 2x ln e. And the next rule is that the natural log of e is equal to 1. So that part is going to go to 1. And we're left with just e to the x times 2x. But I'm going to put the 2x in front because I think it just makes it easier to look at. 2x e to the x. And that would be my final answer. So I hope this homework help problem was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video and share with anybody you think might find this information helpful. Also, check down in my description with links that I have to different online tutoring tools or ways to contact me for tutoring. Thanks for watching.